Next problem number 7. In triangle ABC, angle B value 90 degrees they have given. Then find this value. So here one angle we have to change. First you should use triangle ABC. In a triangle sum of angles are 180 degrees. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Here angle B 90 degrees. A plus 90 plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Here 90 shift right side. A plus C is equal to 180 minus 90. A plus C is equal to 180 minus 90, 90. Here one angle we have to send right side. A is equal to 90 minus C. In this problem, where is A? Instead of A place 90 minus C, we have to substitute. Secant 90 minus C into cosecant C minus tan 90 minus C cot C by denominator sin B value is 90 degrees. Sin 90 degrees. Secant 90 minus C. Cosecant C. Complementary angle. Cosecant C into cosecant C minus. Here tan 90 minus C. Complementary angle cot C into cot C by sin 90 degrees value is 1 is equal to, here cosecant C into cosecant C, cosecant square C minus cot C into cot C, cot square C. This cosecant square C minus cot square C using third identity value is 1. Hence proved. Next problem number 8 main first one. In this problem we have to find out x value. Here sin 60, cos 30, cos 60, sin 30 values we have to substitute. Sin x is equal to sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 value is 1 by 2 into sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Here numerator root 3 into root 3 whole square by 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 1 by 2 2 4. Here square root cancel, remaining 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. LCM. 4 is the LCM. Here 3 plus 1 we can write 3 plus 1 4 by 4. Cancel 1 it will come. Left hand side sin x. In this sin table 1 where it will come 90 degrees. Sin 90 is 1. Sin 90 degrees. Here sin cancel. Remaining x is equal to 90. Therefore x is equal to 90 degrees. Next problem, 8th main second problem. In this problem also we have to find out x values. This angles and all values we have to write. Cos x is equal to cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. Here numerator and denominator separately should multiply. Root 3 into 1 root 3 by 2 into 2 4 minus root 3 into 1 root 3 2 into 2 4 plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 cancel. Remaining 1 it will come. Cos x is equal to 1. In cos table 1 where it will come 90 degrees. Cos 90 is equal to cos 0 is equal to 1. Cos x is equal to cos 0 degree. Cos cancel. X is equal to 0 degrees. Next problem number 8th main third problem. In this problem also x value we have to find out. Here tan 60, tan 30 values we have to substitute. Tan x is equal to tan 60 root 3 minus tan 30 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 60 root 3 into tan 30, 1 by root 3. Here root 3 cancel. Here numerator we have to take LCM. Root 3 LCM. Root 3 into root 3 whole square minus 1. Here 1 plus 1, 2 it will come. We have to write here. Square root cancel. 3 minus 1 by 2 root 3. Here 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 2 root 3. Cancel. 1 by root 3. Left hand side is tan x. In tan table, 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degrees. Tan x is equal to tan 30 degrees. Here tan cancel. Remaining x is equal to 30 degrees. Next problem number 8th main 4th problem. In this problem we have to find out x value. Here sin 30 cos 30 values we have to substitute them. Sin 3x is equal to 2 into sin 30 degrees 1 by 2 into cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. Here 1 2, here 1 2 cancel. Remaining root 3 by 2. Left hand side sin 3x. In sin table root 3 by 2 sin 60 degrees it will come. Sin 3x is equal to sin 60 degrees. Here sin cancel. Remaining here 3x is equal to 60 degrees. But we want x value. Here 3 shift right side. X is equal to 60 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 20 just. X is equal to 20 degree. Next problem number 8th main 5th problem. Here also x value we have to find out. Cos square 30, cos square 60 values we have to substitute. Cos 2x minus 6 is equal to cos 30 root 3 by 2. Already square is there. We have to put square. Minus cos 60 1 by 2. Here square. Here numerator and denominator we have to apply square. Root 2 whole square by 2 2 ja 4 minus here 1 square means 1 by 2 2 ja 4 it will come. Square root cancel. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. LCM. 4 is the LCM. 3 minus 1 it will come. 3 minus 1 2 by 4. 2 1 ja 2 2 just 1 by 2. Left hand side cos of 2x minus 6. In cos table, cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. Cos of 2x minus 6 is equal to cos 60 degrees. Here cos cancel. Remaining 2x minus 6 is equal to 60 degrees. Here only x value we want. First minus 6 we have to shift right side. 2x is equal to next problem number 9th main first problem. Here 9 a value we have to find out. Here cosecant 42 degrees we have to send right side. Sin 90 minus 3a is equal to 1 by cosecant 42 degrees. Sin 90 minus 3a is equal to 1 by cosecant. 1 by cosecant means sin. Sin 42 degree. Here sin cancel. Remaining 90 minus 3a is equal to 42 degrees. Here minus 3a we have to send right side and 42 shift left side. 90 minus 42 is equal to 3a. 3a is equal to 90 minus 42. Here 8. Here 8 minus 4, 48. 3 shift right side. A is equal to 48 by 3. 3 1 just 3 6 just 60 degree. Next problem number 9th main second problem. Here cos 90 minus a into secant 77 equal to 1. A value we have to find out. First we have to shift secant 77 right side. Cos 90 minus a is equal to 1 by secant 77. Cos 90 minus A is equal to 1 by secant 77. Here cos 77. Secant to cos reciprocals. Cos cancel, remaining 90 minus A is equal to 77. Minus A we have to send right side, 77 shift left side. 90 minus 77 is equal to A. A is equal to 90 minus 77. 13 degree. Next problem number 10. Here cos 90 minus theta into cos theta. Here complementary angle we have to apply. Here LHS we have to take, RHS we have to prove. LHS cos 90 minus theta. LHS cos minus theta, cos theta by cot theta. Here cos 90 minus theta, sin theta into cos theta by cot theta. We have to write in terms of sin and cos. Cos theta by sin theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. Numerator as it is, you should write. And denominator we have to shift numerator. Sin theta by cos theta. Reciprocal it will come. Here cos theta cancel. Here sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Sin square theta how to write? Using identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here sin square theta is equal to, here cos square theta shift right side, 1 minus cos square theta. Instead of sin square theta place, we have to write 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. This is our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, proved. Next problem number 11. Here, evaluate this value. Here, sine. Here, two angles are there. Any one angle we have to change. Here, 35 degrees. 90 minus 55 we can write into cos 55 plus here cos 90 minus 55 into sin 55 by here cosecant square 10 minus tan square 80. Any one angle we have to change. Cosecant square 10 minus tan square of 90 minus 10 we can write. Here complementary angles we have to apply. Sin 90 minus 55 cos 55 into cos 55 plus cos 90 minus 55 sin 55 into sin 55 by cosecant square 10 minus tan square 90 minus 10 cot square 10. Here cos 55 into cos 55 cos square 55 plus here sin 55 into sin 55 sin square 55 by here cosecant square a minus cos square a. Third identity we can use. Value is 1. Here cosecant square 55 plus sin square 55. Sin square a plus cos square a value is 1 using first identity. This value is 1. Hence true. Next problem number 12. Here sin square 34 plus sin square 56. In these two angles, one angle we have to change. Next sin tan 18 and tan 72. In these two angles, one angle we have to change. Cot 30 value we have to write. Here sin square 90 minus 56. Here sin square 56 plus 2 into tan 90 minus 72 is equal to 18. Here tan 72 minus cot 30. Cot 30 means tan 30 how much? 1 by root 3. Reverse root 3 whole square. Sin 90 minus 56. Cos square 56 plus sin square 56 plus 2 into tan 90 minus 72. Cot 72 into tan 72 minus, here square root cancel, 3 it will come. Cos square 56, sin square 56. Value is 1 using first identity. 1 plus, here 2 into cot tan reciprocals. Any one we have to change. Tan 72 into tan 72 minus 3. Tan 72 cancel. 1 plus 2 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Next problem number is 13. Here cosecant square 57 minus tan square 37. In these two angles, one angle we have to change. Next, here cos 44 and cosecant 46. In these two also one angle we have to change. Like complementary angle. Cosecant square 90 minus 33 minus tan square 33 plus here cos 90 minus 46 is equal to 44. Here cosecant 46 minus root 2 into cos 45, value is 1 by root 2 minus tan square 60. Tan 60 value is root 3 whole square. Here cosecant square, cosecant 90 minus a, secant square 33 minus tan square 33 plus here cos 90 minus 46. Cos 90 minus a value is sin 46 into cosecant 46. Here root 2 cancel, minus 1. Here minus square root cancel, 3 it will come. Secant square 33 minus tan square 33. Second identity value is 1 plus sin 46 into cosecant to sin reciprocals. So 1 by sin 46 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Sin 46 cancel, remaining 1 plus 1 minus 4 is equal to minus